it's me, Lauren. I don't know where's Katie today. I guess she's on vacation. Well, I'm gonna call my partner. Pikachu! Look, he's my partner, Pikachu! Okay, Pikachu, say hi to the YouTubers. Pikachu. Okay, Pikachu, show them what you can do. Pikachu. Pikachu. I guess I found my partner, Katie. She's in the Pikachu costume. We ordered it from Amazon, and it's fluffy. You can wear it during the winter, and yeah. My partner Pikachu just demonstrated.